Welcome to all. In this video, we will see about genome organization and the genome differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The term genome refers to the total hereditary material present in an organism. It may be DNA or RNA. The genome was coined by the scientist Hans Winkler in the year 1920. He coined this term to differentiate between the genotype and genome. And the modern definition is defined by Singer and Berg in the year 1921. According to this definition, genome is the totality of chromosomes. In molecular term, it is DNA and unique to a particular organism or any cell within the organism. Now we will see how genome and genotype is differed. The genome is total hereditary material, whereas genotype is the information contained within those chromosomes. So based on the small portion of information available from the genome, we can go for genotyping. In general, 4 categories of genomes are available based on the different kinds of organisms. The first one is prokaryote genome. Here mostly the hereditary material is double-stranded DNA, circular in nature and usually exists as one chromosome in number. And this genetic material present inside the prokaryote region is called nucleoid. Second is eukaryote genome. Here the DNA is double-stranded. Instead of circular, here it is linear. And it is exists as many number of chromosomes, and each chromosome contains linear DNA which is tightly packed with several nucleoprotein complexes. And third category of genome is called organelle genome. The hereditary material or genetic material present in the chloroplast and mitochondria organelles are called as organelle genome. Organelle genomes share similarity with prokaryotic genome structure. And last part is virus genome. It's made up of either single strand or double strand DNA or single strand and double strand RNA, and which are packed under a glycoprotein complex. So now we will see the major differences between the genome structure and organization of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The genome size of prokaryote is generally smaller, usually 600 kilobase to 9.5 megabase, whereas in case of eukaryote, the size is 3 megabase to 140 gigabase size. Average gene size is 950 base pair in prokaryotes and approximately 4300 genes are present, whereas in the case of eukaryotes, the average gene size is 2500 base pairs and approximately 19,000 genes are present. In prokaryote system, operon-like regulation which is predominantly present almost all the prokaryotes, whereas this kind of regulation mechanism is absent in the case of eukaryotes. And horizontal gene transfer, the transfer of hereditary material from one organism to another organism. This is occurs significant level in the case of prokaryotes, whereas it is very rare or not occur in the case of eukaryote system. And non-coding sequences. These kind of sequences are very low in case of prokaryotes, whereas non-coding sequences are high and predominant in the case of eukaryotic system. And introns within the gene is rare in the case of prokaryote and it is commonly present in the case of eukaryote. Ploidy levels, mostly prokaryotes are haploids and eukaryotes are diploid. In addition, triploids, tetraploids and polyploids also common. Rarely haploid plants also exist. Chromosome number in prokaryote system is usually 1, whereas eukaryote is more than 1. The shape of the chromosome is circular in the case of prokaryote, linear in the case of eukaryote system. Heterozygosity is absent in prokaryote since it is carrying only one chromosome, whereas most of the eukaryotes are diploid, so heterozygosity is usually observed in eukaryote system. And the place of chromosome, the genetic material is usually present in the protoplast in the prokaryote system, and This region is called nucleoid region, whereas in the case of eukaryote system, the DNA is present inside the organelle called nucleus. Next one is repetitive sequences, generally less and rare in the case of prokaryotes, whereas it is present significant levels in the case of eukaryote system. Now we will see some of the organisms in which the genomes are studied. In the beginning, the genome was studied or genomic sequence studied in the bacteriophages and bacteria E. coli. Then organelle sequences are studied such as mitochondrial sequence and chloroplast sequences. Later go for the eukaryotic higher organisms. The first eukaryote system studied is Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast. Then the nematode C. elegans and Human Genome Project was initiated. In plants, Arabidopsis thaliana was first sequenced and rice also sequenced. Presently, so many crops are sequenced and genome sequencing is an easy task in modern days. Thank you.